Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer your Chainlink tokens from MetaMask to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to switch wallets without any hassle, this guide is perfect for you. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you don't miss a beat. First things first, make sure you have both MetaMask and Phantom Wallet installed on your device, and that you have some Chainlink tokens in your MetaMask account. Also, double-check that both wallets are connected to the same network, like the Ethereum mainnet, to avoid any transfer issues. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and navigate to the Assets tab. Find your Chainlink tokens, it's usually listed as Link, and note the balance you want to transfer. Next, open your Phantom Wallet app or extension. Go to the Receive section and copy your Phantom Wallet address. This is crucial, so make sure you copy it correctly to prevent any loss of funds. Now, head back to MetaMask. Click on the Chainlink token, then hit the Send button. Paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the gas fees. Transferring in 2025 might involve updated fee structures, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, review the transaction details and hit Confirm. You'll need to approve it with your MetaMask password or whatever security method you have set up. After the transaction is processed, which might take a minute or two depending on network congestion, switch over to your Phantom Wallet. Refresh the app, and you should see your Chainlink tokens appear in your balance. Awesome job! A quick tip. Always transfer a small test amount first to verify everything works, especially with crypto prices fluctuating. And remember, security is key. Never share your private keys. That wraps up our guide on transferring Chainlink from MetaMask to Phantom in 2025. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.